Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Aries, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Under the deck, Eight of Pentacles, Judgment, Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups. I think there is a new person is entering in your life, especially in the month of July. A new love is coming and you are going to be make some major decision regarding your life or regarding your relationship. Right now you're focused on your career. You are very serious about your career and you want to achieve your goals. Yes, you're doing hard work to achieve your goals. So Aries, let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Wands, High Priestess and Three of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Especially there is no partnership between you and your person. They are always in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. And you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. And you are on your power in recent past. Yeah, there are some issues, but you are on your power. That is the good thing. Then present for, Seven of Cups, Nine of Swords and Hangman. So, lot of arguments, lot of fightings are going between you and your person. You're feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are in some confusion. Maybe you have options also, but you are confused. Right now you are going through a lot, Aries. Nine of Swords energy. They always keep putting you in waiting and there is no clarity, no stability in your relationship, especially from their side. Then future King of Swords, Five of Wands and Ace of Wands. So you decided to set boundaries because there is lot of drama is going. You fed up with this energy. Then you take your control back. And you are a very straightforward in nature and very honest person. Now you want to give clarity and straightforward message to your person. You are taking your control back. No more drama. Still there is attraction between you and your person. Yeah, still. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Nine of Pentacles, Chariot, Queen of Cups and Knight of Cups. There is love, but this relationship is very slow moving. And your person is very independent. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aries. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces or Leo. Yeah. So a lot of trust issues between you and your person. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, your person realizing that you are their happiness and they really want to offer stability. They're thinking about long term with you. Yeah, King of Cups and the Magician. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation. If there are some issues, they want to fix things with you because they do love you. King of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. I think they are thinking about that you are very caring and sharing person and very independent. So let's see their intentions. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Maybe your person is juggling between you and their career, you and other person. Definitely family could be the issue here. Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Yes, they want you, but they are juggling right now. Aries. There is no clarity from their side. Still under the deck, Seven of Pentacles waiting. Ten of Pentacles. For some, your person is already married and having kids. And Five of Pentacles. They are suffering in silence. Maybe they played a game with you in past. They they didn't tell you that they already married. That type of situation. But right now they're juggling. They're at some crossroads. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship before coming towards you. They have to make some decision, but they are unable to make any decision right now because they are juggling here. They are at some crossroads, but they want you, but there is no clarity. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. No clarity, no clarity. That's why I decided to cut off this person from your life. Yeah, they're suffering in silence. They're missing you. They're feeling alone because they do love you. And they're very, very attracted to you. And they're coming back with an apology. They know they did hurt you or they lied to you. Now they're realizing their mistake, coming back with an apology. Maybe for some, they're scared for rejection also. That's why they're taking their time to come forward. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yes, dark energy. Maybe you are also obsessed with them, but you are taking your power back. Aries, you want the best and you deserve best. You want stability, you want marriage. Less than that, you don't accept anything. Yes, you are taking your control back. You are focusing on your money, on your career, on your abundance. Aries. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. For some, maybe this person is toxic for you guys. So be careful before making any move or any decision. For some, maybe you both have ego issues. Yes. You both want this happiness, but there are a lot of issues involved in this connection, especially from your person's side. Right now, they're juggling. Yes, you both have love towards each other, at the same time ego issues also. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. I fantasize about you. All I want is you. I have too much going on in my life and I want to be with you forever. So the messages are, I fantasize about you. All I want is you. I have too much going on in my life and I want to be with you forever. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Your dreams need a practical plan, full moon in Taurus. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to prepare a plan. Then you have to execute. First you have to prepare a plan. Then do a consistent hard work. Definitely your dreams will come true. Without hard work, there is no chance. And emotions are running high, super moon. So if your emotions are running high, do meditation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.